His thanking goes also to what Greg was talking about, with our agreements to bring everything up. So to keep that space clear, we thank each other for bringing things up. Thank you for bringing up that really difficult thing. Thank you for sticking with me.
Sometimes it hurts when I say that. Sometimes I'm still hurt. It's a thing that I got offended about. And in that moment, I know that if I thank her for talking something over, I'm going to feel better. Sometimes you have to push yourself over that hill and you still feel a little resentment. You still feel a little distant from somebody.
We're committed to grow more than anything. So thank you for bringing up something that can make me grow. It hurts, but I need to face that. I was a crab. I'm sorry.
That goes directly back to your question. We're committed to growing through this process. So in a soulmate relationship, the two people should be equal and both committed to growth. Meaning when you bring something up and it's something that I did, I should be willing to examine my part of it and see where I need to grow and what I need to change. If I thought I was right, it might be a lifetime of conditioning suddenly facing me. Suddenly something I've been doing for 20, 30 years, I can see that it doesn't work. I shouldn't be doing it anymore. It's very tough to face.
So this starts clearing the throat chakra. All of us are probably clogged in here from all the things we've never said, all the things that we wanted to say that were never received. By starting to speak truth and be received and to talk through things, and anything and everything that I have to say with you is safe.
There's another benefit to this. When we are clear, so right now Catherine and I have no resentment between the two of us. There's none. Our suitcases are empty, absolutely. Because if anything's wrong, she's going to bring it up to me or I'm going to bring it up to her. So if she seems upset about something, who's had the experience of being with someone and wondering if they were upset because of the thing that happened last week or last week, or if it's something to do with you? I don't know what's going on with this person, so I guess they must be mad at me no matter what they say. No, I'm fine. This is bad for everything's okay, but they're upset at me. It must be that thing that we didn't clear up. So personally growing up, sometimes I didn't know what was in the minds of other people. It felt very unsafe to me. If she's upset for some reason, I don't know what it is, that's very upsetting to me. That's not safe to me.
Right.
This creates an environment of safety for me. It might be painful now, but growth is painful.
Yeah.
It's almost always painful when he brings up something. Sometimes it's a pinprick and sometimes it's bigger. You know, it's like I've been being confronted that I was in a bad mood this morning. Oh, thank you for bringing that up. I thought it was cool. You know, so it's a little ding to the ego to go, you know, thank you, I'm not as cool as I thought. Thanks for continually reminding me. But really, I want to grow out of that. I don't want to have bad moods. I don't want to take them out of people. So yes, it almost always hurts when you bring up the truth.